Hey there, nature explorers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the amazing world of ecosystems. Are you ready to learn how animals, plants, and the environment all work together? Let's get started. An ecosystem is a community of living organisms, including plants, animals, and their surroundings, where they interact and depend on each other for survival and balance. It's like a team of nature working together in a specific area. There are so many different types of ecosystems around the world. We have forests, oceans, deserts, and even your very own backyard. Each ecosystem has its own special plants and animals that are perfectly suited to live there. Everything in an ecosystem is connected. If something changes, it can affect everything else. Imagine if there were too many rabbits and not enough plants for them to eat. This could cause a big problem in the ecosystem. Here comes a cool part, the food chain. It shows who eats who in an ecosystem. Plants are the starting point, animals that eat plants are next, and then animals that eat those animals come after. Remember, every part of the chain has a role. Explorers, you have learned so much about ecosystems today. Thanks for joining us on this awesome journey through ecosystems. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting adventures. Until next time, keep being curious.